So this is my breakfast this morning. I've been making this like quite often. I'm obsessed with it. This is a reduced carb whole wheat flour tortilla. I like it because it's only 4 net carbs, which is pretty awesome for a tortilla. And what I do is I put that as my base, and then I put a half of an avocado. This is a teeny avocado, so they're smaller size, and I just like the macros on this size avocado from Trader Joe's. So I put half of that underneath and really just kind of mash it up with a fork. And then what I did was fry up 1 slice of bacon, and I am obsessed with this one from Trader Joe's. Put that on top of the avocado. I'm drooling as I'm talking about this. Then I actually took a 1 large brown egg, again from Trader Joe's. I just think they're nice and affordable. And I like to put my egg well done so that it's not runny on the inside. And I put that on top. And then my favorite hot sauce to top it off is this Green Dragon. I've been all about it. I think I've gone through this in 2 weeks. And I just ran out of my everything but the bagel sesame. If you guys haven't tried this, it's amazing. It goes really well on breakfast stuff, vegetables, meats, poultries. It actually goes on a lot more than you think. I ran out, but I would usually sprinkle that on top. Then I have 2 maple chicken breakfast sausages. I just show you guys the packaging. I just ran out of that. Tommy and I go through this stuff like crazy. So that is my breakfast. Pretty nutritious and substantial. I just worked out at Orange Theory, so I am definitely ready to gobble this up with a big glass of water, and it's so good. I highly recommend you guys trying this out. If you get like a really salty craving in the morning, this is the way to go. Now I'm making just a cup of decaf. I gave up caffeine recently, so I've been, I still love having coffee in the morning as part of my routine, so I just have a Trader Joe's decaf. This is new, they just added this, and it's really affordable if you're looking for an affordable decaf option. And I'm adding my favorite creamer that I found at Whole Foods. It's the dairy-free Better Half by Califia, and I have the flavor in hazelnut. I love this because only 2 tablespoons is 15 calories, and I just feel like that's really good, and the flavor is really delicious. Highly recommend this one. I go through it like crazy. Whoop. Just gonna give that a good stir. I always kind of crave something sweet after my salty breakfast, and this kind of really helps curb that sweet tooth a little bit too, so I just love having that kind of following up my breakfast. Now I'm making a smoothie, and I have these wild blueberries from Trader Joe's. I have about a cup, maybe a little more, I think a cup. And then I have a cup of almond milk. I just ran out of it, but I love this one. It's the almond beverage, vanilla unsweetened. And then I try to put as much as I can in this. I don't even measure it. This is the frozen chopped spinach. I like getting my spinach frozen and putting it in my smoothies because it makes it a little bit creamier, and the spinach doesn't go bad since you're having it in the freezer. And then I love this flavor of protein powder. It is the gold standard way in ice cream. Vanilla ice cream is so good in smoothies. It makes it just, I don't know, it just really adds like a nice ice cream flavor to your fruit smoothie. So it kind of just really satisfies that sweet tooth. So I love this. I just blend it up. I don't even add ice because of the frozen blueberries and spinach give it a nice consistency, but if you want it to be a little bit more cold and a little bit more texture, maybe add some ice. But this is so good, and I make this like almost every day. So for lunch, I'm going to be having this salad, and I'm really into this salad kit from Trader Joe's. It's the kale and edamame salad. So it has sweetened dried cranberries, grape tomatoes, almonds, scallions, and a lemon herb dressing, and it's really, really tasty. It has good crunch to it, but I do like to add some protein because it's always not filling enough for me. So what I did do is add some chicken, and this is the grilled balsamic vinegar and rosemary chicken, and I haven't tried this one before. I always usually get the lemon one, so I was excited to try this. So what I did was heat that up, slice it up. Just makes it really easy to have prepared chicken rather than having to cook it up. So I just like that, and I sliced it. Then on top, I just added a little bit of these crumbled goat cheese balls. They're so good. I just put probably like an ounce of that right on top to give it a little creamy flavor, and this is gonna be my lunch. So it's now a little later in the afternoon, and I always crave a salty sweet snack, and this has kind of been what I've been doing lately. I have a bag of light kettle corn popcorn. I like it because it's a single servings portioned out for you. So I love this, and it kind of gives me that salty fix. Then what I do is I melt about a tablespoon of cookie butter in the microwave for about 20 seconds, and I have the creamy kind. And I use that as like a drizzle on the popcorn. So just a really great way to get that salty, like sweet fix in the afternoon time, drinking this with a lot of water or a LaCroix, and it is just like so delicious, you guys. This is kind of my jam right here. I'm obsessed with it. You guys have to try it. It's like gingerbread, crushed biscuits, and like gingerbread tasting. So really, really good. Also on top of ice cream or Halo Top, it's really bomb. So gonna dive in. So I just finished making one of my favorite dinners, and I've been doing this a lot actually recently. It's super easy to make if you want like a really great 30 to an hour meal prep time. You barely have to do anything and it's really fast. So I have a piece of salmon here, and I put a little bit of ranch sauce on it just to give some flavor. Half of a medium-sized sweet potato. I put a little bit of buffalo sauce on it to give it flavor too. I've been really liking that combo. And this is my favorite thing on the plate. It's these Brussels sprouts that I get nice and crispy, and I put a little balsamic glaze mixed in there, and then put, again, goat cheese crumbles. I know it's my second time of the day, but can't resist those. That's my dinner, nice and substantial and really easy to make. Okay, so it's the next day now, but I forgot to share my dessert last night, and I attacked these like a hyena. Look at this box. I think I had about a serving and a half of these Gone Banana bananas. They're dark chocolate covered banana slices. These are so good, you guys, and the new ones are dark chocolate covered strawberry ones if you prefer strawberry. So good, and the servings on the size on these pretty decent. Always curbs my sweet tooth when I'm watching Netflix at night. It's perfect way to end the day. So I want to share that with you guys, and I hope you guys enjoy this food day eating. I know I didn't show my face in this video, which is kind of nice to show you guys food. So I hope you all enjoyed it. Let me know what you think in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys later.